Hey everyone, it's Amit Bandari from TalkCondo.com, and I'm here to talk about an amazing new mid-rise project called Leaside Commons by Gaylord Developments and Harlow Capital. Leaside Commons is the first development planned within just 100 steps of the future Leaside LRT station. Let's check out what else is 100 steps from here. This family-friendly neighborhood gives you access to a fantastic selection of boutique retail, grocery stores, parks, and top-notch schools. It's all here in just 100 steps from Leaside Commons. Gaylord Developments, the team behind Leaside Commons, is an award-winning developer known for its high attention to detail and focus on design. With awards from the City of Toronto and Build, Gaylord is known for creating buildings that are modern and stand the test of time. Gaylord's focus on design has earned them numerous awards, including the prestigious Project of the Year from Build. Leaside Commons offers a rare opportunity to get into this very exclusive neighborhood where the average home price is over $2.5 million. Find out more by contacting me.